I know we have a lot to do today, so let's do this in one take, okay? Hey guys, Mike at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. Wow, I'm so excited. This is our first video. Incredible things happening inside the greenhouse. And you know your boy's from Missouri, so we're from the Show Me State, so I'm gonna show you what we're all about. So here we are in the historic vine jurisdiction in Kansas City, Missouri at our urban farm. And some of the amazing things we have going on inside. Let me get down here and unveil some of this wonderful product. Let's see if you can see that right there. This is our Italian parsley, and look at the color on this. And I wish you could experience the flavor in this right now. It's just incredible. Now this we keep a little bit colder than some of the other crops in here. It's a tricky balance, but by far, really excellent product. Let's go over here and show you some of the other stuff we're growing. And wow, flavor's amazing this time of year. Let's get into this row. And this row is probably our most impressive because this is our basil row. And I hope you can see that. I'm just gonna go ahead and pick some here to show you. And look at the color there. And I mean, just, there's a very wonderful, fresh, fragrant Italian basil, and a lot of grocery stores, a lot of people in general are having a hard time finding basil. There's a basil shortage on the seed. A lot of greenhouses actually got hurt within the storms and whatnot. But we prepared for that, so we've got hundreds of pounds of basil right now ready for you to go. And you know, this is what it's really all about. When you come in here in the middle of winter, you come in here and in the middle of winter and there's snow outside, and I envisioned Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm of walking in where snow on the ground and you see butterflies flying around and you have all this wonderful life, and that's what we've done. Let's stop by our African tree collards and sample that. Excellent. Taste is, I can't even describe it. A little bit between a collard and a kale, but the cold weather has increased its flavor. So again, I just wanted to show you some things inside here, take you to the back and show you one of the stoves that is powering this. Of course, this is in part due to a grant received earlier this year from KC Gifts, so please support them and the phenomenal work in which they do. But this is inside our greenhouse here, and some of the things that we also grow when the temperature drops a little bit. We also get mushrooms, as you can see right here. And these really, so good. Rarely make it into the stores because they're so delicious, but you just have to be impressed by the life right now. Just an amazing thing. You know, when we started this project years ago, a lot of people didn't think it could be done. Didn't think it could be done cost effective, and didn't believe that we'd be able to produce so much food, so much of an abundance here. And so, you know, we're showing you that in fact it can be done. How about some mint? Would you like some fresh mint this time of year? Look at that specimen, just wonderful. Have a whole series of mints from lemon mint, chocolate mint, peppermint, probably 14, 15 different mints that we grow inside here. So let's take you to the back. I'm gonna show you one last thing, and this is our beast of a stove, one of the furnaces making this all possible. And of course, this was in part due to a grant we received earlier this year by Kansas City Gift. Great organization helping black businesses, so big shout out to them. And this is it in action. And look at that roaring fire inside there. So she's keeping us nice, toasty, and warm right beside the cotton plant. You can see that, isn't it? Just amazing. So again, urban farming at its finest. It can be done. I hope this inspires you. Please support Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. We're in 20 Hy-Vee supermarkets in the metro. You can also go to our website, opheliasbluevine.com, and order through there directly. You can also watch our videos, and we have some tutorials on there, and a lot of other really cool stuff at opheliasbluevinefarm.com. But Again, I'm Mike at Ophelia's Bluevine Farm. I just wanted to show you inside the greenhouse. I gotta go, we got work to do, but I'll see you in the next video.